Assurance Appeals is a local family-operated firm specializing in property tax appeals. We offer the unique advantage of providing top-notch tax expertise as well as legal representation, ensuring that clients have access to the best resources throughout the property tax appeal process. Committed to providing extraordinary value to our customers, we offer clients this expertise at no upfront cost. In fact, in most cases, Assurance Appeals will even pay for customers' appraisals upfront, making it less costly to file an appeal through Assurance Appeals than on their own. Assurance Appeals provides customers with the opportunity to streamline the often intimidating property tax appeal process while providing them with the expertise and legal protection necessary to file a successful appeal. Assurance Appeals is comprised of a father-daughter team. Jean Whitaker is the tax expert at Assurance Appeals. A CPA with a master's in taxation and an MBA, Jean has over 35 years of experience working in tax and business. Retired as the CEO of Kama Corporation, Jean now operates his own successful tax business based in Newtown. Jean also enjoys serving as an adjunct professor of taxation at Fairleigh Dickinson University and an adjunct professor of accounting and finance in Frostburg State University's MBA program. Jean's daughter, Corrine Walker, provides legal representation for Assurance Appeals. Corrine graduated from the Schreyer Honors College at Penn State and received her JD from the University of Virginia School of Law, a top 10 law school, in 2008. Corrine practiced law in Virginia, serving as an assistant Commonwealth attorney for over 7 years. During that time, she honed her analytical and litigation skills, trying thousands of cases on behalf of the Commonwealth of Virginia. Corrine has experience trying very serious cases, including malicious wounding, robbery, rape, and capital murder. Assurance Appeals is a full-service property tax appeal firm, and we handle all types of property tax appeals. This includes general standard property tax appeals for both residential property owners and commercial property owners. It also includes property tax appeals that must be filed as a result of interim changes, as well as defense of property owners whom are the subject of property tax appeals by taxing authorities. Assurance Appeals takes on both residential and commercial property owners as clients. We can help your clients, both before sale and after purchase. Specifically, if you have a client interested in lowering their property tax bill before they sell their home, contact us. Additionally, if you have a client interested in a property but concerned about the high property tax bill, contact us. We may be able to help with the sale of a client's home burdened by high property tax bills in either scenario. Now, in order to fully explain our value and services to you, we would like to provide you with a quick review of the assessment of property taxes in Pennsylvania. As you know, there are 3 taxing authorities that result in a property owner's tax bill. Number 1, the relevant county. Number 2, the applicable locality, township, or borough. And number 3, the school district. Pennsylvania uses a base year system to determine property taxes, meaning there is no requirement for regular assessments, and assessments may be based on a year in the past, known as the base year. The formula used to determine property taxes is convoluted and distinct from the formula used to determine fair market value, which can be confusing for potential clients. The formula used to determine property tax is as follows. The base year assessed value multiplied by the predetermined ratio, which is set by the county. In Bucks County, that number is 100%. That value is then multiplied by the total millage rate for each taxing authority, and then divided by 1,000 to give the amount of property tax. To provide you with an example, let's assume that a home in Bucks County has been assessed at $35,000. The assessment must be multiplied by the predetermined ratio, which is 100%, or 1. In Doylestown, that property is subject to a total millage of 159.175, which is divided by 1,000. The outcome of both separate equations are multiplied to give us our property tax amount of $5,571.13. As you can see, a home's current fair market value is not factored into the calculation of property taxes in a base year system. The base year, or last assessment year, in Bucks County is 1972. The system attempts to achieve equity between homes within a county by using a factor known as the common level ratio to equalize the value of properties built after 1972. The common level ratio is the ratio of assessed value to current market value in a county. It is calculated yearly by the Tax Equalization Division, using an average of real property sales in a county compared to actual assessments. However, the system fails to account for the natural fluctuations in real estate markets that occur in different areas within a county over the course of time. The ultimate result is an unfair system, which creates inequities within a county, especially in a county like Bucks with such an outdated assessment year. Fortunately, the law provides a solution: appeal. This graph is designed to demonstrate how the base year system can fail to account for natural fluctuations in the fair market value of homes. It compares the county theoretical fair market value as determined by the Tax Equalization Division to the actual fair market value of two Bucks County homes, Home A and Home B, both worth $400,000 when built in 2007. The Tax Equalization Division value, as it reflects the average change to fair market value within the county, remains the same for both homes over the course of time, as is represented by the black line on the graph. However, each home's actual fair market value is significantly different than its Tax Equalization Division theoretical value. Home A, represented by the green line, has actually appreciated at a rate that is 2% higher than the countywide average. Home B, represented by the red line, has actually depreciated at a rate that is 2% lower than the countywide average. Home A is significantly undervalued while Home B is significantly overvalued. Ultimately, Home B is overassessed and the homeowner is paying too much in property taxes. This specific example is reflective of the larger problem in the base year property tax system. Some property owners are always paying too much in property taxes. The appeal process follows a general timeline for standard appeals. As you are aware, property tax bills are received in the spring and in July. Bucks County has an early appeal deadline, August 1st. All appeals must be filed by the state. Hearings are then scheduled by the Board of Assessment, and at least 20 days' notice must be provided to property owners prior to the hearing date. By October 31st, all hearings and decisions are completed and finalized. Notice of the board's decision must be mailed to property owners by November 15th. Interim property tax appeals follow a different schedule, as they are the result of interim changes. Notice of a changed or new assessment must be mailed to property owners within 5 days, and an appeal must be filed within 40 days of the date of the notice. Note that this is not 40 days from receipt of the notice, but 40 days from the date of the notice. The general timeline previously reviewed is also applicable to appeals filed by taxing authorities and to class action appeals. In Pennsylvania, several methods are used to determine the fair market value of residential properties. An appraisal is first and foremost and always necessary for an appeal. The board or court can also consider comparable sales, the sale of the specific property in question, and the cost to build the property for newer properties. The base year system puts the onus on the property owner to appeal property taxes inconsistent with fair market value. However, it also demands a degree of knowledge that the average property owner does not have. Effective appeals require legal representation. The property tax system is complicated and not easy to navigate. Moreover, filing a successful appeal requires a legal understanding of how to build a case, what evidence is admissible, and how to examine witnesses. Specific legal rights may be forfeited if legal representation is not present. Additionally, property owners who attend hearings subject themselves to cross-examination, which could unintentionally tank their case or make a case for an appealing authority. Legal representation ensures that these issues do not arise. Finally, if an appeal is unsuccessful at the Board of Assessment level, an appeal to court is permitted by law. Legal representation is absolutely necessary at this stage, and property owners are at a disadvantage if they've represented themselves previously. Assurance Appeals recognizes the need for tax expertise and legal representation for property owners, while understanding that property owners may be intimidated by the cost of such services. Therefore, we strive to make our value clear to customers. First, we will provide a free, no-commitment expert opinion on whether a property owner is a good candidate for appeal. We offer the unique advantage of both tax expertise and legal representation at no upfront cost to property owners. As mentioned, Assurance Appeals will provide a free appraisal to property owners using our services. We have exceptional service standards, putting our customers first and providing friendly, approachable, yet highly knowledgeable service. Finally, payment is not required until successful completion of appeal. Assurance Appeals minimizes risk to property owners by eliminating confusion about the appeal process. We bridge customers' knowledge gaps and prevent the inevitable mistakes when building and presenting a case. Assurance Appeals maximizes property owners' success by providing a thorough understanding of applicable law and procedure, expert guidance and resources, and preservation of legal rights. We ensure our customers put their best possible case forward at no upfront cost to them. Assurance Appeals provides a truly win-win experience for property owners. Do you have a client concerned with high property taxes, either buying a home or selling one? We can help you with our free zero-commitment expert guidance on whether an appeal is right for your client. We can help you sell your client's home by lowering their property taxes before sale. We can also reassure your purchasing client by starting the appeal process even before they close on their new home. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. No question is too big or too small, and we are happy to help. It is our pleasure to assist you. We have provided our contact information for you. Feel free to email or call us at any time. Thank you for your time today. We hope you have a great day.